guys, today I'm unboxing this three little blind box. First, let's open this. Lazy Yoga. Let's open it. I'm gonna hide it first. Let's open this first. We got lay down. This is first lay down. So cute. Lay down. Next one is this one. Cool Panda.
Which one do you want?
This one first. I kind of like this one and the secret. Please, let's open it. Please, let's open this first. Before we show the card, but first, let's open the box. Look at it. That's this. What's this one? This one.
What's that?
We got the cricket. This cricket.
Oh, the cricket.
Got this one and the last one is here.
Show it. Show all. Show all.
The last one.
Yeah.
Don't mind this is open. There's a tree secret. This is not fake, this is real.
Ah. What do you want?
I kind of like this. Then a
Yeah,
pink.
look.
Yellow?
The berry is cute. I kinda like this.
Okay. But anyways, let's open it. Which we get? Which one do we get? Okay. You wanna show this?
No.
You don't wanna
God.
show this it?
Let me see.
Yes. First, let's open the...
Oh my God. Is that I pointed this?
Yes.
Oh my God. There's the little gun.
Wrong hand. Let's put it in her head. Make it, put it. Almost. So hard to put it. There.
Show the other that you open. This is what you
There's enough
open.
space.
And
Let's put this rock.
this.
Sure. Wait.
And is there's more?
That's a lot. That's a lot. Anyways.
This one. Egg tart.
No, you didn't really show that.
Okay, show me what all you got. Open it and show it.
There might be that this is okay.
Yeah, don't close it. Just open it.
Why is it so hard to put?
Yeah.
This one might be that is all open.
I'll just show it inside.
We can. This looks dark and this looks.
You know what you got, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, point it.
Before we show it, let's. Before we show the card, first, let's open it. We get my favorite color,
Yeah.
light pink.
Mm.
We get this.
Let me see. Show it. Well, it's look kind of creepy and yeah.
Looks
Never
pop-
mind. It's look like my childhood.
Looks spooky. It's this one.
Ah.
This is my favorite color. And the last one is here.
What's that?
This one is School Panda 2. Winter Sea.
I know what you want.
Okay. I like this one because it's color pink and this
Yeah.
one.
Let me show. And I kind of like this one black.
I like this one.
And what?
I like
Okay. Just open it.
anyways. Let's
Don't you want to open the big one?
No.
Just so. Why?
They already know that this is just like that.
Mm.
They already know what it looks like.
So you don't want to open?
Of course, my mother. Now you show the card, of course. Oh, the card is inside. Okay, here's the results.
Hmm. Wow.
We got cocoa.
Cocoa, go GPS Anita.
Keep in her eye.
And show.
What's it? What's that? What's it? Thank you for watching, guys. Comment down below which one do you like more. Like and subscribe before you go. Bye.